Hey there! In a world dominated by software giants like Google, Facebook, and Netflix, did you ever imagine a newcomer rising rapidly and gaining immense popularity? Well, get ready to witness a game changer. ChatGPT has arrived. Now, let's dive into some mind-blowing numbers to truly grasp the significance of this web application. Netflix took 3.5 years. Google took 1 year, and Facebook needed 10 months to hit 1 million users. But ChatGPT attracted 1 million users in just 5 days. Starting November 30, 2022, this software attracts over 50 million daily users. Join me in this video to unlock the fundamentals and discover free techniques that you can use to maximize productivity. Let's dive into the fundamentals and key terminology of ChatGPT. Developed by OpenAI, this is an AI software that functions as a chatbot. You interact with it by posing questions known as prompts. So, how does it generate responses? Through a program called AI model, which is essentially its brain, which comprehends and replies to user inputs. The initial brain version was called GPT-1 and has evolved over time. The current iteration is GPT-4, available for a fee, but the good news is that GPT-3 can be used for free. This software is remarkable because its responses mimic human-like style, although occasional inaccuracies may occur, which are continuously improved in future releases. It's important to note that the training data for this AI software goes up until September 2021. So now it's time to dive in and experience it firsthand. The first step is to open the following link, chat.openai.com, and sign up. Once you've completed the registration process, you'll be greeted with a screen that consists of two main elements. On the left-hand side, you'll find the chat management section and account settings, while on the right-hand side, you can engage in conversations. Keep in mind that you can also hide the sidebar for a cleaner interface. As chatbots, the fundamental way to interact is through the question and response approach. For example, if you were to ask, "Can you write a 300-word article on the importance of being organized in life?" Include 5 advantages in a bullet point format and maintain a persuasive tone. The chatbot will provide you with a response, giving you the freedom to ask whatever you want from the tool. As you can see in this example, I've used this website to compose an article. However, the possibilities are truly limitless. There are numerous other popular use cases for this tool, including writing, summarizing, brainstorming, extracting, and reformatting, just to name a few. And the best part is that ChatGPT remembers the previous responses. So if I revisit the website, I can now prompt, "Can you summarize this article within a 150-word limit?" As we can see from the response, the text has been shortened. Also, as you may recall from my initial question, I asked for a persuasive tone. However, as expected, you can experiment with different kinds of tones, such as persuasive, firm, conversational, academic, formal, or even poetic, to name a few. So I can now prompt, "Utilizing the 5 points you mentioned, could you create a short and humorous poem for my friend Sean?" And there you have it. Now you have a poem that you can share with your friend, and it only took us less than 1 minute to create. So far, we've just covered the key use cases and tones, but things get even more interesting as we can obtain the answers in different formats as well. For example, in my initial question, I had asked for the answer to be presented in bullet points format, but you can test this too. Bullet points, essays, emails, tables, presentations, blogs, and even code. For example, let's now write a feedback email for one of my colleagues regarding their upcoming promotion. Once we press enter, we'll see the result, a well-composed email that you can quickly finalize by adding a few more touches if desired. Great. Now let's take it a step further and create something even cooler, a web app for managing your to-do list. Voila! Let's put this to the test using an online compiler. There are multiple options available, but I'll demonstrate it using w3schools.com. And as you can see, we now have a working example here. But wait, I forgot one thing. Keep exactly the same code, but can you add the functionality so when a task is added, then a time is attached to it? And yes, mission accomplished. So, as you can see, by utilizing these various techniques that I have shared with you, you can save a significant amount of time and accomplish numerous tasks within minutes. Another valuable lesson is the concept of modes and roles. What I mean is to assign different roles to ChatGPT, like intern, critic, teacher, or editor, each with their unique qualities. Then make specific requests according to the assigned role. For example, imagine yourself as a 10-year-old child and ask ChatGPT to explain how it works. You'll notice a more understandable and engaging response compared to a generic one. And remember, don't miss the video on our channel that explains how this AI chatbot works. Example time. I know we've covered a lot in this video, so let's create a cheat sheet summarizing the key points in a table format. In this example, let's assume the role of a teacher. And if you'd like to have this cheat sheet, I will create a visually appealing version of it and share the link in the description for you to access. In this video, we've covered numerous things you can do today, and it's all free. If you're interested in advanced features like web browsing and plugins, consider subscribing to ChatGPT Plus for $20 a month. But don't worry, there are also free tools available that use ChatGPT technology for tasks like interacting with PDF and summarizing web pages and YouTube videos. Share your suggestions for other AI-related topics in the comments. OpenAI CEO Sam Altman has confirmed that GPT-5 is not currently being trained, but the existing opportunities this tool offers are truly exciting. Subscribe to Mental Snack for more informative videos. Thank you for watching.